Yaheetech sent me this foldable ladder shelf, so I just want to give my first impressions of it. For starters, you also are going to get a baggie, and it's going to come with some additional screws and a user manual. And the cool thing about this is that there's no assembly required. The only thing you have to do is, after you take it out of the box, is just pull it apart and just fold these shelves over, just like so. And if you open it a little bit too much, the shelves is just going to go ahead and collapse through, as you see here. So this has to be pushed in a little bit more, and then I can do the last shelf. So this is going to be the 4-tier shelf, but if this is a little bit too big for you, it also does come in a 3-tier shelf. And this is going to come in the rustic brown, which is perfect just because it matches with the walls and with the floor too. And so the first thing I noticed about this is that these shelves can be like a little bit like on the loose end. So I just went ahead and tightened them a little bit more with a drill. And just know when you do this, it's going to be a lot harder to go ahead and pull them upwards. So right here, this one's not drilled. Now when I screw it in tighter, it's going to be a little bit harder to lift it up. So here you can see it stays like that, it doesn't fall easily anymore. All right, so I found the perfect spot, and I realized all the way at the bottom, it does have this cutout here, so it fits at this bottom piece. So when I go ahead and put it at the right angle, it kind of clips into place. So when I go ahead and pull it, it doesn't accidentally open up. And now it's also going to be a lot more flush to the wall. So this ladder shelf is made up of solid fir wood, but how strong is it exactly? So right here I have 2 5-pound weights. I just want to go ahead and put it on all these shelves and see how it handles it. So here's 1 5-pound in the center, and then here I can put 1 on top. There, and it still holds it in place. And then I'll go ahead and do the same thing for that second shelf. There's 5, there's 10, so it holds it pretty well. And then now time for the third one. And finally the fourth. There, so nothing's breaking, it's holding it perfectly fine. So if you have something that's 10 pounds, you can go ahead and put it at any one of these shelves and it'll hold it up. All right, so because I have the cat trees on the right side, I decided to put some of my cat's things here. So we have a few toys, we have some brushes, and then I just have like this light. So I think this ended up looking real nice, and it definitely matches with the tone over here. But of course you can put a bunch of different things if you want to put like some flower pots, if you want to put some books, and put it somewhere else too. Like right now I have it here with my cat, but this will go perfectly fine in a bedroom or even in a bathroom too. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with this tower shelf. Looks pretty nice. It definitely does go ahead and fit a decent amount of things in here. So yeah, if you're looking for a ladder shelf, whether it be for yourself or a gift, definitely check this one out by Yaheetech.